how to fix keyword auto reply. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix keyword auto reply on TikTok. First thing, you should know that you should have a business account to do this. Now click on TikTok. Now click on those three buttons up there, click on business suite, and now click on message setting. Now click on keyword auto reply. Now click on message and click on add. You have a keyword in the message, like enter the keyword and then enter the auto reply message, like they gave you an example. If the keyword was a price, your auto reply message may include our price range from this is to this to this is. This is it guys, it's so easy. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.